Hi everyone. So day one, what we learnt, I will summarize. Day one, we are adding users to the admin portal and also environment. These two steps we have done. And today, day two. Okay, in day two, we are going to create business units and also assign users, business unit to the users. These two things, and also creating security roles. And remaining part we will discuss today. So, what is a business unit first of all? So, business unit means, for example, you are working in one organization. Okay, so the organization is, for example, wipro.com. Wipro is a company. So Wipro company is there in the Hyderabad, Bangalore, and also in US also. Okay, Hyderabad is a business unit, Bangalore is also one business unit. Okay, we if you are working in one branch means that is a business unit. Like as I said earlier, Bajaj Electronics also one business unit, like that we can one state equal to one business unit, like that we can create, right? So similarly, business units we are going to work. Okay, sorry, create it. Okay, business units we are going to create. So how to create a business unit, I am going to show you. So first thing is go to the settings and advanced settings, and next security module. We have to go to the security module. So this is your environment, and where you have to select advanced settings and advanced settings, and after that security. Let me resume. So now go to the settings, and here security is there. Security. Select security, and business units are there. Business unit. This one. Select business unit. So coming to the business unit creation, for example, one main branch is there across the India. Okay. So that is we say it is a India branch. And in India, we have almost 29 or 30 states are there, right? One state equal to one business unit. Okay, like that. Again, districts are another business units. Like that, we have to create. Okay, so anyway, now you are going to create a business unit, new business unit. This is for testing purpose. I have created. Forget about them. First, click on new business unit here. So this parent business unit, it is created by the system automatically. Okay, our Dynamics CRM automatically it is created. It is a parent for all the business units. Okay, keep like that only. If you want, you can parent your business unit also. You can create it, up to you. Okay, if you want, you can create it. I will show you how to create. For example, Bajaj Electronics central user one. Okay, central users, like that, one business, one one central user, one business unit. I am creating it. Okay, and click on save and close it. That's it, nothing else. And if you want, you can add users also. That is secondary. Later also you can add it. That is different thing. So now I have created central user and save and close. And next, Bajaj Electronics Hyderabad home branch users. Okay, so Bajaj Electronics home branch, right? You can create like home branch user 1, home branch user 2, or you can create like that too. Okay, Bajaj Electronics home branch. So this is a central branch user, right? Select it, and again click a new one. Sorry, click on new one, and you have to select parent. This one first time you have to select parent business unit. So look for more records, and here central branch user, select it. It is a parent. Parent for what? Hyderabad home branch user. Okay, you can select user 1, user 2, whatever you want, you can select. Okay. Anyway, branches we can create. After that, we can add the users. Okay, you have created branches only, and save and close it. That's it. So it is a Hyderabad, sorry, missed it, home branch, right? Anyway, I will create another one. It is a Hyderabad home branch, HYD. You can write like that, HYD home branch. Again, I will create it, not a problem. Okay, so central branch, home branch is there, right? Let me check whether we can modify it or not. Yeah, I think we can modify it. Hyderabad home branch. Save and close. Similarly, Bangalore also. You have to add Bangalore users also. Bangalore home branch, right? BNG. You can write BNG home branch. So similarly, you can add all the other branches also. And so parent for this home branches is central branch. This is a user, but it should be branch only. First, you have to select parent branch. Parent branch is this one, central user one, and this is the home branch, Bangalore home branch, right? You can select like that. Save and close it. Okay. And the remaining thing is you have to add the this regional branch users also, like KPHB and this like this KPHB and Miapur, like that. Let me add it. For example, KPHB, not user, branch. You have to write like branch. And this is a parent branch for this KPHB is Hyderabad only, right? This one, Hyderabad home branch. You have to like map like that only, and save and close. And the next KPHB we have done, and Miapur also I will add it. Miapur. Two branches are enough for testing. Miapur. Miapur branch. Okay. Users also, if you want, you can add it. And this parent unit is Hyderabad. Hyderabad home branch. This one. So this is how we can add the business units. Business units. Add it and save and close it. And next save and close. And now what I am going to do is, for these branches, branch wise users, I have to add it. This is another step. So next step is, let me check the steps. Creating business unit is done. And next, assign business unit to the users. This one we are going to do. Fourth step. Okay. So fourth step we are going to do means, again go to the security and users. Okay. This is you are in the environment. Remember, you are in the environment. Sir, where is my users? I have added to the environment. Where is my user? You are not seeing any users, right? So select the drop down and enabled user. One option is there. And here also you can't see your, because there are so many users are available. So that's why 178 users are there, I think. Only 50 users are displaying. Go to end so that you will see. At the end only you can see the users. Now you see Bengaluru users, Central Branch, Hyderabad, all users, whichever users we have added, all users are available. So now Central Branch users, okay, these two users, 1 and 2, I have to add to the central only. Central only. How to add? Select them and change business unit is there, right? This is one way. Another way I will tell you later. Change business unit and search it with the star central. or central. Okay, I think I just search it, and now you see central user is there. This is a branch actually. By mistakenly, I have created a user. It is a branch. Okay, this one you can add it. Click it. Now I have assigned users to the business unit. Remember, central users done. Okay, and home branch users also we have to do. Home branch user means this Hyderabad, KPHB and Miapur also we have to do it. Okay, now again, see now users are not displaying, right? Okay, now it is displaying. Yeah. So another way is also there, adding to the business unit. For example, Hyderabad home branch user is there, right? Select it and change business unit. Earlier we selected. Now drop down, and here also one option is there. Sorry, then select it. Sorry, directly select it. Select that user, and here also change the business unit. One option will be available. Let me show you. This is second way. Here you see change business unit. Right? Okay, select it. So it is a Hyderabad home branch, right? The star HYD. You can type like that and search it. See, Bajaj Electronics Hyderabad home branch is there. This is home branch user one. Okay, you can add it like that. But here you can add only single user like this. Better, go back and add multiple users at a time. For example, go to the security and users, and then add multiple users at a time. Select your enabled users like this. Go to end or search here also users. Now home branch user, another home branch user also we have to add. Once you have added, you have to check business unit. Under business unit it is displaying or not, like this. Central user already we have added. Okay, so similarly you can add, change business unit, and star Hyderabad. Select it. See, Bajaj Electronics Hyderabad home branch. Okay, you have added, and the remaining users quickly I will add it. See, Hyderabad home branch is done. KPHB and Miapur we are going to add it. Miapur user 1 and KPHB Bangalore is there. KPHB is there. Huh? Okay. Yeah, another KPHB is not there. Huh? Let me check. KPHB. Okay, I think KPHB user is not available. That's fine. We can add Miapur also, right? Miapur. Miapur. See, Miapur user 1 we have to add. So if user is not added means you can add later also. Maybe last time we have not added. So change the business unit and HYD. Only Miapur branch only we have added HYD. Okay, star HYD, sorry. You have to write star HYD so that that branch will display. And next, go to security and users. And Bangalore also I am going to add it quickly. Bangalore. You can write like Bangalore, BNG, BNG. See, HV, own branch users are there. Okay, select them and change the business unit, home branch unit. So why we are doing, I think next after some time you will understand. See, Bangalore home branch users, assign it. That's it. Home branch. After that, Bangalore two users sub branches we have added. One is Bangalore Jayanagar one, Jayanagar two. We have added Jayanagar one, Jayanagar two. We can write like this. These two users select it and assign to the Bangalore branch star BNJ. BNJ. Okay. So anyway, this is how we can add, we can create branches and we can uh, create branches and assign them the users. We have done up to here. Okay, this is also done, right? Done. And create the security role. This is very important. How to create the security role? So before security role, I will show you one Excel sheet. Okay. First, you need to get the idea. Okay, how to create security role? First, you should have one idea. Then only you can able to create the security role. Okay, business you need to understand. And let me show you one Excel sheet. I think give. So this is the Google Drive. I have added Bajaj users list and also this is the this file. Okay, this file and also one more Excel sheet is also there. This is another Excel sheet. Just download it for understanding purpose. It will be easy. And let me show you that Excel sheet. What it is there. సింపుల్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ పెట్టాను. సో యా this is the Excel sheet. Okay, we have three entities: Bajaj customer, Bajaj product, and Bajaj purchased product. Okay, so this one end user will use. Okay, billing person, billing person, billing user, and these two anyone, I think a billing user can use it or any of the employee can use, like Bajaj product means they can add the products, and also Bajaj customers, like end users, we are all end users. Okay, Bajaj end users also, Bajaj customer can in this module anyone can add it. Okay, Bajaj customer is a entity name or module name where anyone can add the customers. So this is basic functionality of our application, right? So first thing is, first coming from the customers, we are going to add it to the system. So first, another thing is we have some privileges actually: create, read, write, delete, append to, share and assign. Okay, so these are all like privileges. Okay, privileges. And these privileges, okay, create, read, write, delete, append to. So where exactly it is, I am going to show you. Okay, first let me show you. So now go to the security. Again, under security you see security role. Security role, this one we are going to create one role, right? So this role, see, these are all the existing roles. Okay, but we are going to create a new role. Bajaj user, like that I am going to create a role. Bajaj user. And business unit, you can select like this one, central user, like that one. And after that we can change it, but you can save as of now central user, like that you can change it. So anyway, later we will be changing that business unit. So now you see these are all the entities in the system, existing system. Mailbox, goal, these are all entities only, tables only. Don't get confused. Table names. But our table name is also there, right? It should be there. So what you can do is assign a table only, unassigned table, show all tables. Okay. Unassigned table. Unassigned table, I think it should display. Or else you can select assigned tables also. You can see Bajaj three modules, somewhere it should display. Okay, Bajaj. Go up and check it. Business unit security role. You can you can search it also. Bajaj users. You can select Bajaj, something like that. Bajaj. Show all tables. Search with Bajaj. Now you see custom tables are displaying. These three tables that we are going to assign. These are all the access privileges. Okay, permission, create, read, write, delete, append to. Okay, first thing is create, read, write, delete. Up to here only we will discuss what is append to, assign, share. Maybe tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, as of now, these four roles. Privilege levels where we can see is, see, now you see, click on it and you see organization, business unit, user, parent child business unit, organization, and business unit. So business unit means, always remember, it is a branch level. Organization means complete organization. These are all levels of privileges. So earlier we discussed about privileges. It is a levels, both are different. Earlier, create, read, write, delete, append to, share, assign, all these things are privileges. And levels, these are all levels: user, organization, business unit, parent, child. So let me talk about first user level. User level means, if you are giving privileges to the user level, only that particular user level will be applicable. And if you give privilege level is business unit, means branch level, it is branch level. And if you give privileges parent child, means, for example, uh, a parent is, let's say, Miapur. Okay, and sub branch is something like Biramgoda, like that. And also one more example also, parent is Hyderabad main branch, and child is Miapur or KPHB, like that. Okay, any other sub branches we can give parent and child. And organization level means it is a complete organization level. Okay, these four levels are there. Levels, privilege levels, and privileges, both are different questions, actually interview questions. So two questions: what kind of privileges are available in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM? Okay, privileges we have like create, read, write, delete, append to, assign, and share. And privilege levels are organization, parent child, and business unit, and user level. These four levels are there, and none is also there, but no need to specify this none. So these four levels are there. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to give, okay, I am going to give privilege levels to these entities. First, Bajaj Customer. Let me talk about Bajaj Customer one module. Okay, Bajaj Customer is a module. So now this module, if I give, okay, business unit level, but first of all we need to understand this module functionality, right? Customers we are entering into the system, anyone can do it. Okay, there is no harm, right? If you give business unit, there is no harm. Okay, and anyway, read permission organization level also you can give, there is no harm. And writing also you can give organization, anyone can add customers, right? Organization also no harm, right? Yes or no? ఈ మాడ్యూల్ this module we are giving security levels. Okay, level, for example, if I give business unit level, no harm, and read also organization, no harm, write also I can give, but delete is a problem. We should not delete it. Okay, that's why none. And append, these are all leave, forget about these four rules, maybe tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, today we will give up to here, we will discuss up to here only. And now you understand. And next one, this is I can say. And next to Bajaj product also business unit level. Okay, business unit level, this module, first of all module functionality, Bajaj products we are adding into the system. Okay, system, we are, TV came, we are adding into the system. So business unit level you can give, no harm. Means business unit branch users only, branch users can add it. Even though if you give organization also not a problem, right? And anyway, that is one thing. And second thing is read permission, not at all problem organization, because they are going to read it. Creating sometimes give difficulties, but reading is not a problem. That's why read permission I have given organization level. And write permission also business unit level you can write it. Writing means updating. Okay, so product updation and those things we can give usually. Business unit is a good, actually good option. Okay, so that's why writing permission is a business unit level, and remaining forget about it as of now. And another thing, customer purchased product, billing user, end user, or one person is there, right? They will scan the products and they will bill it. So this is very important. So these two does not make any big difference. Okay, but this is very important because user, for example, simple example I'll tell you. They can scan, or they can scan one mobile and they can bill TV bill also. That possibilities are there, right? So maybe what we can do, there is some chances actually. So that's why customer purchase product billing person, creating user level only. Okay, create permission user level you give. Read permission business unit branch level also you can give, not a problem. Reading, that is big, not a big deal. And write permission also user level, because what happen now, if you give organization or business unit for write permission, they can modify others products also, other billing users also there, right? Their colleagues, they can override their products, and they can do some, you know some things, right? So some anything they can do. For example, write permission I have given another user. Okay, I have build one thing, and he also do one thing, but he, my billing related he can write it. Okay, okay, you can do anything. That's why user level permission only we can give it for this one, this module. Okay, so like that we have to understand the role first of all. Okay, so after that, this is a central branch user, like that I am giving central branch user permissions. I thought this is a my thought process only. Okay, and next, Home branch users, another thought process. Now I am thinking about home branch, and I want to include central also. Again coming to the Bajaj customer. Okay, Bajaj customer home branch. Home branch level, parent child business unit, customers creation. If I give, there is any issue? No, right? Business unit you can give, parent child also you can give, right? Because Hyderabad is a home branch. Okay, Amirpet is a sub branch. Okay, so parent child also you can give it, there is no harm actually. Okay, so that's why parent child unit I have given. Organization read, not at all a problem, always it is no problem, read permission. Right also, organization level we can give it. Okay, right permission for Bajaj customers. Anyone can add customers, that is not a big deal. And delete is anyway it is none only. And second thing is Bajaj product. Bajaj product. Products we are adding into the system. Okay. Think about that. And parent child also not a big deal. We can give it. And the second one is read and organization. Okay, we can do it. Not a big deal. And instead of business unit, here earlier we given business unit, parent child also we can give it, right? Products, we are adding the products. Okay, parental child also we can give it. This is also not a big deal. And customer product, end user, again billing person, critical role this one. Okay, for this role, users always create user level only and read parent child only. This is very important role, right? He can do anything, that's why parent child only we are giving. Earlier we thought of giving business unit, but parent child also no harm. Okay, but right also user level. Okay, so this is my final. Okay, so I can give this one, or this one also I can give. So if I give these levels, it would be good actually. Okay, always it will be good for all the users. Okay, so this role I can give it now. I'm going to give this role. So just this is my thought process, and now I am going to create the role and assign these privilege levels to them. Okay, so go to your again your role. So this role, and first Bajaj product. Okay, Bajaj product. So parent child, give parent child. First this one Bajaj product parent child only. And read organization level. If you want, you can check it. Read organization. Write organization only. Okay, organization. And delete none. Always none. Okay. And next this one. Sorry, this one we will think about. Bajaj customers also almost same only. We can add it. Simple functional only. Customers, right? This one. Sorry. This one I have to add first. Parent child organization, and this is also parent child business unit product. This one parent child only, by mistakenly I have added. And the second one is customers. This one I am adding. Okay, so remember this one. And same parent child, this one. And this one is organization read. And right is also, what is the right? We have to give organization level. And delete is none. And critical role, this one. Okay, customer purchase product, user level. And read is organization level. And write parent parent child, parent sorry, this one. Yeah, I think users, once again I am rechecking it. User purchased product, right? Purchased products, user level, organization level. Organization level, parent child business unit. Right is parent child business unit, and delete none, always none. Okay, so this is how we can do the role. Okay, so one Bajaj users one role I have created. So this role I can give anyone. Okay, anyone, because this role will work for everyone, because we understand the functionality and we have created one role assigned the privileges levels to that users. That's why this will work for every user who are in the Bajaj system. Okay, and once again I have doubt, parent to child, organization, parent child, that's fine. And Bajaj customer, parent to child, Bajaj customer, parent child, organization. Right, super. So that's it done. Okay, so now we have done the roles, we have created the role. Okay, let me check our steps. Okay, create the business units done, and create the security role, it is also done. Okay, and next, assign the security roles to the user. We have created one role and we have to assign to the users. This is what we are going to do. Sixth step, and go to again users. That's why earlier I was not given any security role, because we are going to do, we are going to give it, right? So users, now this security role we can give to everyone who are in the system, because privileges levels are different inside, right? So that's why we can give everyone. First thing is we have to give enabled user, enabled user, right? So this one, select enabled users, and next go to the example central user. Okay, you can add that role. So how to add the role? Manage role, one option is there. Select manage role, and you can see the Bajaj user role is there. Select that Bajaj user. I think two are there. I think let me check once again which one our role. Security roles, and one role I am going to. Okay, now I can see only Bajaj users, only one role. I am going to assign this role, and go to the members, or you can go to the users. These are all the users, right? At the end you see our roles, or search also, central. First central branch. Already I think it is assigned. Just again I am going back to users and I am assigning roles. Select enable users, and next select the users. See, central branch user 1, user 2 is there. So business units already we have assigned, only role we have to assign. So here what we have to do is manage role. Select manage role, and Bajaj users. our role name is Bajaj users. I rechecked it. This one. This is basic user. I confused it actually. Both are different. Bajaj users. Click OK. That's it. And we can give this role to all our Bajaj users. Okay, there is no harm, right? All the users. So next, what I can do is, mm, Bangalore. Already we have given these two roles. Hyderabad, Jayanagar, and Miapur already we have given. And Miapur we are going to test it. Okay. So now manage role and give that Bajaj user role. That's it. Bajaj users role. So that's it. We have given. And the next thing is, okay, app level. App level permission also we have to give, right? So let me go to the steps. Creating the security role is there, and assign the security role to the users, done. And last step we are in. We are going to do assign the security role to the app also. Okay, app level also we have to give. Go to the Dynamics CRM custom, and anyway show all, and this sales hub we can give manage roles. If you give these two, then that will come automatically. Bajaj users, something like Bajaj basic, these two, save it. And sales also, though, here also we can give it. And whichever app you want, you have to give. That's it. Okay, now only sales and sales team member, uh, these two things will display. CRM hub also we can give it. Manage role and basic and Bajaj, these two roles. Okay, and sign out, or you can log in with another user. Anyway, so now just close it. See, I am opening my app in the different browser and I am testing it role wise. Roles we have to test it. For example, admin.powerplatform.com. Open it and test it. Yeah, I have created one model driven app. I am giving permissions to the tab, and anyway basic role is mandatory Bajaj users and basic user role, and save it. And now I'm going to test it. This is my admin user. See, now I am testing with a different user, and this is a Miapur user. And Miapur user, I have logged actually, and now I'm going to check, like these are all the orders which is created by other users. For example, this 88 user, order number 88. Now I am not able to edit it actually. I cannot edit it because I have, it is a user, right? So for example, if you see it, this is our privileges. Let me show you. So this is our privileges, right? For example, Bajaj customer purchased, only create user level. He can create user, and read parent level he can read. Okay, and write also only user level only. He can only create and write user level. but read permission parent child. So that's why others records he is unable to edit it, but he can create another record. For example, now I am creating one record. Record id is 100 and customer is, for example, Tanuli, and quantity is 10. The product is, for example, I am adding one more product. Okay, 1 minute. uh, yeah, just mobile. Okay, and the remaining details are not required, and this is my order id is 100. I am testing, and save and close it. That's it. Okay, so now if I log in with other user, so sign out and log in with the other user like Jayanagar user. Okay, Jayanagar user, and what will happen, now we can see. And Jayanagar user one, and I need user id, copy this user id and log in. Order number 100 should not edit, that is what. And this is my model driven app I have created, and I have given permissions to this user already. So we can see these three entities. And anyway, Bajaj product, anyone can add it. As I said earlier, customer also anyone can add it. So we are only specific to this customer purchased products. So products will display, but we cannot edit it. That is the concern, right? For example, 100 is there. I am unable to edit. User ID also I am unable to edit it. Just it is navigating, but I am unable to edit. Nothing. Everything is grayed out only. Okay. So this is what we can test with this security roles. Okay. So, but if you add products, entire organization level we can view. Even though if you add one customer, Bajaj customer, entire organization we can view it. There is no limit. The only thing is Bajaj customer purchase product. We have some limitations that I have already given here. Purchase user level only. Okay. So now it is working fine. Yeah. Thank you.